Hi all, it's David here from DP Computing. Today we've got a Dell Latitude E5540 laptop, which I'm just going to tear down or open up just to show you how to get into it, to replace the hard drive, memory, the Wi-Fi module, clean the fan, and also the onboard battery. Just before we continue, just a word of warning: take static precautions and proceed at your own risk. Also note that this may void any warranty. Now, first thing you have to do is remove the battery, which is here. So there's just two little slots here. So the one over here, you'll click and it holds there. This one you'll have to hold in, and once holding it in, just pull out the battery. Then there's actual 6 screws. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They're all labelled D. These 2 screws also remove the keyboard if needed. Also, these 2 screws are a longer type of screw, which is there, and the other 4 screws are the normal shorter screws. They're just a normal Phillips head screwdriver to remove it. Now, once all the screws are removed, we have to remove this back plate. Usually we have to get something in and under. So what I do is just a normal flathead screwdriver, and I start here, and you'll see it just pops up. Same with this side. Try and just get your screwdriver under, and it should unclip. And there we go. Then once it's unclipped, just pull it up, and there we go. And now, as you can see, the insides, what we've got is the memory. There's one dimmer in, and there's a spare socket here. We've got the optical drive, got the wireless card, the hard drive, the battery, the internal battery, and the fan. You can clean that out if needed with any compressed air. Now, the optical drive itself is held in by one Phillips head screw here, so you can just remove that. Once that's removed, you can slide it out. It comes out, you can replace it or whatever. I'll just put that to the side. Memory here, you've just got 2 retaining clips, little silver things. Just push them outwards and you can see the memory pops up, which you can then pull out. And if you want to upgrade it, you can put a new one in, push it in, then push it down until it clips. The same with this side one here. The hard drive itself is held in by 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a couple of other screws you'll see there, but they are holding in the little base plate underneath. So I'll just remove these screws. And then once we've removed the screws, the hard drive will pop out. And to do that, there's a little plastic tab here. You see that just there? Just grab that and give it a pull to the side, and you'll see it then pull up, and you'll see the hard drive is in its own little caddy. To remove it from the caddy, there's another 4 screws, so 1, 2, and on the other side 3, 4. Just undo those screws, the hard drive will pop out. You can then put in a new hard drive or replace it with an SSD. Pop that to the side. The actual wireless card is here. It's just in a little socket, so just remove the 2 antenna and it pops out. The same with the battery here. That's just held in by a little bit of adhesive underneath, so just get a flathead screwdriver underneath to release it, and then pops out, and there's a little socket there as well. And then to put it all back together, you just have to reverse what we've done. So you can put the hard drive back in. Just make sure it lines up properly with the SATA socket there. So you should just pop in and then just slide in nicely, and then put in the 4 screws, pop back in the CD drive, and also add that screw in there. Then you can just clip the base plate on, put the battery in, and all should be fine. Thank you for watching, and if you want to view any other laptop teardowns, please view our YouTube channel at www.youtube.com/dpcomputing. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.